In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bank rule in your accounting software, a task that can significantly streamline your financial management. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the right section of your software. So log into your accounting platform and head over to the accounting menu. Once there, you'll see an option labeled Bank Accounts. Click on this, and it'll take you to a page displaying your various linked bank accounts. This section is essential because it serves as the primary hub for managing your financial transactions. Now, the next thing you should look at is the Bank Rules tab. This is typically located near the top of the page, amongst other tabs like Transactions or Reconciliations. Once you find the Bank Rules tab, go ahead and click on it. Think of Bank Rules as your personal assistant. They can automatically categorize and match your transactions according to preset conditions. This feature becomes incredibly handy, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. After you've navigated to the Bank Rules tab, you'll see a button labeled Create Rule. Click on that button to begin setting up a new rule. This is where the magic happens because setting up a rule ensures that your transactions are organized exactly how you want them. As we move on to actually setting up the rule, there are several components you'll need to customize. Usually, a rule can include criteria like transaction amounts, types, or particular descriptions that match what you frequently encounter. This setup will depend on your specific needs. Make sure you pay close attention and specify each parameter so that your rule can accurately apply itself to future transactions as you intend it to. Once you've set these parameters, you'll want to be sure everything's in order. Don't forget to review all the details of your rule setup. This is crucial because it ensures that the rule will function correctly and that you won't encounter issues later on with incorrect categorization or organization. Double-check your conditions, look for typos or logical errors, and confirm everything aligns with the transactions you intend the rule to manage. And with that, your rule is successfully set up. This is a simple yet powerful way to automate parts of your accounting processes, giving you more time to focus on other critical aspects of your business. Remember, the more accurate your rules are, the more seamless your financial tracking will be. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with this feature to refine your financial management strategies further. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials that help make accounting an easier, more manageable part of your business operations. See you next time.